Next up is Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, very, very important. It's testing this critical resistance level line 2 at $41,000. I have set to hold it. We did give a buy recommendation in last week's newsletter. And if you're not in, rather wait for the breakout, close above $41,000 to buy. Or if it does happen to drop back to line 1 at any stage, you could look to buy a reversal day up from there. The breakout, when it comes, is going to be big. The stochastic is overbought at the moment, so one can't rule out the possibility of it moving down from line 2. Let's take a look and see what Bitcoin is doing right now. Let me just tidy up this chart. So it's holding up pretty well, right near that line 1, that 41,000 level. So let's see how it closes tonight, US time. It will probably be affected by the US comments as well in the stock market. If it does break out, you take the width of this channel projected up, which gives us a target of roughly, I think, 55,000. So watch it very closely. Definitely, it's a long-term hold, I would say, or medium-term hold. Falls back to line 1, you can look at buying or adding to it. If it breaks down below line 1, which is the 30,000 level, or I think it's even 29,000. The extreme lows of these tails are 29,000. Close below there, we'll see it drop to at least 22,500. If that does happen, you're going to get an absolutely gift buying opportunity. But at the moment, the strategy I'm recommending is to hold long. If you're not in, wait for the upside breakout. If you are in, if it does happen to get much lower down, add to your holdings. That's on a medium-term view. Obviously, short-term traders, you'd want to trade inside the channel, long near support, take profits at resistance, near resistance, short if it gives a reversal day down. That would be for very short-term trading, and of course buy if it breaks out to the upside. So watch this 41,000 level very closely. It's getting right to that level now, and it's getting to make or break levels on it.